Grade 10, welcome back to your online classes. Students, as you know, due to second phase of COVID-19, again have to manage our classes through virtual learning program. So, today we are going to start our first lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss our last unit, that is poem. Now, students, as we have done this poem in our regular classes, here I will discuss with you the paraphrase of the stanza and try to give a brief review of the poem. Let's start our poem. Unit number 15, Opportunity, written by Walter Mellon. Dear student, before starting the poem, here I want to tell you that the poet has used some archaic words in this poem, like dost, art, thee, thy, though. Those stand for do, art stand for or, thee mean you, thy mean your, and thou mean again you. As I have discussed before that the poem has been written by Walter Mellon. In this poem, the poet rejects the commonly held belief that opportunity knocks at the door but once. The poet says that opportunity comes and knocks at your door time and again and calls you to wake and start your effort. Do not show grief on the past chances and do not weep for the past away golden days. Rather, start your struggles with fresh courage at every sunrise. Do not be discouraged if you were punished for your right deeds in the past. Your past pages may be blotted, but be hopeful that your future pages will be white as snow. If you have committed sins, do not mourn over them. Forget your sins and start your journey towards heaven once again, and you will definitely be guided to the right path. If you are sorrowful, do not be pessimistic. Go ahead with new spirit. Players are waiting for you in the coming days. Opportunity lends their arms to those who have the courage and hope to do something in life. Rise up again and become a man in the real sense. Now, student, we will discuss the paraphrase of each stanza of this poem one by one. Stanza number 1. They do me wrong who say I come no more. When once I knock and fail to find you in, for every day I stand outside your door and bid you wake and rise to fight and win. Paraphrase. They do me wrong who say that I do not come to them. When I come and knock at the door, I fail to get any response from inside. Every day I come and stand before the door of your home. I ask you to wake and take a start of your struggles to win the competition of life. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि जो पोम का टाइटल है अपॉर्चुनिटी मौका, वो खुद रीडर से मुखातब है। तो इस स्टैंजा में वो कह रहा है कि वो लोग गलत करते हैं मेरे साथ जो कहते हैं कि मैं नहीं आता। वो बता रहे हैं कि मैं आता हूँ और आपके दरवाजे पे दस्तक देता हूँ, लेकिन हम उसे कोई जवाब नहीं देते। वो हर रोज़ आता है, हमारे दरवाजे पे खड़ा होता है और वो हमें जागने, उठने और जदोजहद करने और जीतने का हुक्म देता है। सेकंड स्टैंजा ऑफ द पोम, स्टैंजा नंबर 2. Will not for precious chances passed away. Weep not for golden ages on the wane. Each night I burn the records of the day. At sunrise, every soul is born again. Paraphrase. Do not cry for those precious chances that you have wasted. Do not weep for golden times which have now ended. I burn the records of the day each day night. When the next day starts with the new sunrise, everything is born again. मीन कि जो कीमती मौके गुजर चुके हैं उनके लिए रोए ना, और बेहतरीन टाइम जो आप गुजार चुके हैं उसके लिए आंसू ना बहाएं। यह मौका ये कह रहा है कि मैं हर रात को पूरे दिन का रिकॉर्ड जला देता हूँ। क्योंकि जब नया दिन आता है, सूरज तुलू होता है, तो हर रूह फिर से पैदा होती है। Stanza number 3. Dost thou behold thy lost youth all august, dost reel from righteous retributions below, then turn from belated archives of the past, and find the future's pages white as snow. Paraphrase. Do you think that the thoughts of youth are terrible and you have been punished for your righteous deeds? Think no more about it. Turn the pages of stained events of the past and find the new pages of bright future. They are as white as snow. इस पैराफ्रेज का मतलब है कि जवानी की सोचें दहशत ज़दा हैं या खौफज़दा हैं, और वो तुम जायज़ कामों की सज़ा पा चुके हो, इसके बारे में मत सोचो। माजी के दागदार कागज़ों को उलट दो, दस्तावेज़ात को उलट दो, मोड़ दो उनको, और मुस्तकबिल के सफ़ात को देखो जो इतने सफ़ेद हैं जितने के बर्फ। स्टैंजा नंबर 4. Art thou a mourner? Rouse thee from thy spell. Art thou a sinner? Sins may be forgiven. Each morning gives thee wings to flee from hell. Each night a star to guide thy feet to heaven. Paraphrase. If you are mourning for your future, you must come out of this spell. Do you think that you are a sinner? Do not worry about them. Sins are maybe forgiven. Every morning gives you the wings to fly from the hell, and each night a star guides you the right path. इस पैराफ्रेज का मतलब है जी कि क्या तुम मातम करने वाले हो? इस शहर से निकलो, इस जादू से बाहर आओ। क्या तुम खुद को गुनहगार समझते हो? इसके बारे में परेशान मत हो। गुनाह बख्श भी दिए जाते हैं। हर सुबह तुम्हें जन्म से भागने के लिए पर देती है, और हर रात एक सितारा निकलता है जो जन्नत की तरफ तुम्हारी रहनुमाई करता है। स्टैंजा नंबर 5. Laugh like a boy at splendors that have sped, to vanish joys, be blind and deaf and dumb. My judgments seal the dead past with its dead, but never bend a movement yet to come. Paraphrase. Like a boy, you should laugh at the wonderful days of your past life. The joys are no longer with you. They may be blind, deaf, and dumb beings for you. My decisions lock the record of the dead past, but I never stop the moment which is yet to come. Meaning, गुजरने वाले आबोताब शान शौकत पर बच्चे की तरह हंसो। खुशियाँ हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ नहीं रहेंगी, वो तुम्हारे लिए अंधी, बहरी और गूंगी हैं। मेरे फैसले गुजरे माजी की बातों पर मोर लगा देते हैं, लेकिन उन लम्हात को कभी नहीं रोक सकते जो अभी आने हैं। स्टैंजा नंबर 6. Though deep in mire, wring not your hands and weep. I lend my arms to all who say I can. No shame-faced outcast ever sank so deep, but yet might rise and be again a man. Paraphrase. If you are in a difficult situation, do not twist your hand and weep. I will lend my arm to all those who are brave and say I can. It is not a matter of shame to be in hard situation. You must rise and be a courageous man. Meaning, गहरे दलदल में भी अपने हाथ मत मरोड़ो और मत रो। मैं उन तमाम लोगों की मदद करता हूँ जो कहते हैं कि मैं कर सकता हूँ। मुश्किल हालात में होना शर्मिंदगी का बायस नहीं है। आप उठें और ताकतवर हो जाएं। This is the last stanza of the poem. Students, I hope you have understood the whole poem. Now it's your duty to memorize all the paraphrase of the poem. Students, soon I'll give you a written assessment which you people have to write on a sheet, and later on you have to submit that written material to school on a specific date. Dear student, keep one thing in your mind. Try to do your home task properly so that we would be able to maintain our learning process without any break. Here you have to show a sensible behavior and try to be regular and stay connected. At the end of any lecture, if you have any query, you can comment on it. I will respond to you, inshallah. This is the end of first lecture. Try to follow the instruction. Goodbye.